Good afternoon. No, good morning, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Greens Plus. In this case, plus a very nicely wrapped PoshMark box that arrived in the mail yesterday, and I hadn't got to it yet, so I'm getting into it now. I think this is absolutely adorable wrapping paper, and I'm going to do my best not to wreck it too much because I like it and I want to use it again. Yes, I am one of those people. I don't like crumpling paper and ripping it off if at all possible. It's a nice big thing. Ooh, somebody recycled a Pampers box. Or is it? Yep, Pampers. Very cool. Thank you, seller. I think this is adorable. And I'll take this off gently. Maybe we'll put this on pause. So to continue, there's the wrapper. And here's a Pampers box. Been reused. Thank you. Let's see here. Oh, did I forget to bring? Yes, and I think my fingernails are not quite strong enough. So I'm going to put this on pause again and go get a knife. And we're back with a pair of scissors. Not exactly a knife, but good enough. And of course, try not to cut anything inside. Very nicely packed, by the way. Thank you. Not about to break open in the mail. There. And I'm not sure if this is from the bottom or the top, but we'll see. We have some packing paper. Very nice. Ooh, a card. And a sticker. Oh, I switched to thank you so much. Yes, thank you so much, too. Thank you so much for shopping in my closet. I hope you love it all and put a little something extra. Aw, thank you. Oh, somebody who loves to wrap individual parcels. I bet you're a delight for Christmas and birthdays. Make everything fun. Cute little shirt I got. It's extra big. I did that. Oh, sorry, not shirt. A dress. A little tank top dress. It's very cute. And, here we have, I deliberately got a couple items extra big because I'm going to maybe brand them with the gym's logo. We haven't decided on logo yet. This is extra small. This one's mine. Comfiness is a thing. It's going to be like leggings more than jogging pants. It smells nice. Oh, yes. The drapes. They are from Nordstrom at home. Didn't pay much for them. None of these things I paid much for. That's one reason I love PoshMark. I'm not sure if I've bought from this seller before. I will have to find out later. But, no, I don't think I have. But, yes, very cool. Maybe put those up here somewhere or upstairs. We'll see. Usually I buy stuff that I don't need at the moment, and then they come in completely amazingly handy not long later. Almost like precognition shopping. Oh, and this is Gymshark, one of my lovely members who got me into Gymshark. This is the first one I've owned that is Gymshark. She says they're actually better than Lululemon. This is Lululemon. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll see. She says these don't pill as much. She has no thigh gap, and she finds that Lululemon gets a little pilly right there. I can see it's already doing a little pilling here. But, you know what? I'm going to try them out. Very cute color. And there's the little house shelf I was going to put up somewhere in here. M. And here is a pair of these little shorts, Tuff Athletics, for myself. And here is the really cute pillow I was going to put in here. Oh, it's actually bigger than I thought, which is not a problem because I will put it in maybe that chair over there, or maybe swap it out for one of the ones here. Yes. I'm not going to take that out of the wrapper right now. I can tell it's very nice from the photograph. Thank you for giving me this. A vacuum sealing bag. That's a brilliant idea too, because it helps keep it all very nicely contained and in a tight place. This is from Urban Barn. And this is one of the decorations. Lovely decoration. It's brass, made in India. And I'm going to put that up somewhere. I love these. Getting a bit of a theme going with that and that and this. And I'm not sure where we're going to put it yet, but we'll see. And bubble wrap, which is fun for popping and also for reusing. And this is going to be hung up somewhere, maybe in one of the bathrooms. Put things on. Very cute. This one is actually, the seller said I was getting this for free because I'd actually asked for all three that were in her listing, and she said, oh darn it, they're already gone, but she hadn't changed the listing, so she's like, you know what, I'll just throw that in. So that was probably the free item, which I'm very well aware of, and it was a very nice thing to do. They were $8 each. So that's like an $8 gift on top of the fact that I got a nice discount on the listing itself. And that is really lovely. I'm going to open it now. Everybody can enjoy the sound of it reflating. If I can put this somewhere here. This is awkward. Well, let's put it here then. No, maybe there's a can of. There we go. Let's undial it. Actually, you know, I don't even know how to open these things. So, stick it back on. Use it, and I can reuse this. Well, she stuffed this in here really well before she put it in. Get it back in. There we go. Good exercise. And very cute. And pillow. Big pillow for in here. And there we go. That will go very well in this gym, as well as the theme this winter, because there are a lot of hunters and trappers and outdoorsmen that come to this town and also live in this town. So we now have a pillow that reflects that. And I'm a carnivore, so also, yes, there we go. Hello everyone. And I'll put that there for now. I'll be doing some mixing up of the comfies later. So yes, everyone, if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share. I will be putting a description in the description. This is Tuff Athletics. This is Nordstrom's at home. Although I don't feel like undoing the whole thing to find the tag. As I can see it. Just like. Oh! I think the tag was removed. I know, that's the it's weird. Yeah. And then Roots Canada. And then, yeah, Gymshark. Thank you. Seller. And this is a cute, I like this a lot. Very cute little dress. Actually, you know what? Maybe I didn't buy this dress. That could have been the thing that I didn't buy because I don't remember. I will I'll see what's what in the listing and then put it in the description. Thank you, seller. A wonderfully well packaged, very nice, very clean, very good deals. And thank you, viewer. And I hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Whenever, wherever, and whomever you are, stay awesome, stay adventurous, stay strong. Bye.